Right, we're going to turn the fan on max. There you go, and there's a lot of noise, but not a lot of air coming out the vents. So we're going to check the filter. Right, open the glove box. And pull the clips and drop the glove box down. This is a Ssangyong Rexton, but the same as the Mercedes MLs and GLs. They share all the same parts. Right, unscrew the cover. One screw, that's all it is. Right, let's see how bad it is. Take the cover off. And there's the filter. Right, I can't really see what I'm doing here because my hand's in the way and the camera's in the way. But grab the first filter and just slide it out. Oh yeah, that's a bit of a mess, isn't it? I think I was right. Right, there's another one in there. Slide it up. And then just pull it out. And that one's as bad as the other one. Have you seen one worse? Leave a comment. Right, we'll have a quick clean up before we go any further. Right, there's two filters on this car, both identical. Just check the airflow. In this car, that's left to right. Put the first one in and push it down. Now put the second one in. Still can't see what I'm doing. Put the cover back on. Just slot this cover downwards behind the two pegs. And that's it. Put the stoppers back in the glove box. A bit fiddly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, it all helps. That's it, we're done. Right, a quick test. Yeah, much quieter and better airflow.